Hi friends! On the eve of the holiday, I want to share with you a recipe for a delicious fruit dessert with an original presentation. Each fruit in this dish brings its own individual note to the overall taste of the dessert. And a bowl of orange makes you want to taste this dessert. First of all, we will make original bowls for salad. To do this, cut the orange into 2 halves. Gently remove the orange pulp from the rind. Of course, the salad can be served in such a bowl, but let's use our imagination and make it more beautiful. To do this, use a knife or scissors to make cloves along the edges of the bowl. The bowl is ready, let's start cutting the salad. Cut the orange pulp into small cubes, remembering to remove the seeds and veins. Put it in a bowl. Cut the peeled ripe banana into thin strips or small cubes. We send to the orange. Remove the core from the washed apple. And cut into small cubes. We spread it in a mix with fruits. Pour the prepared food with yogurt and mix gently. Yogurt can be taken with any flavor. I used strawberry. We spread the salad with a pea in our prepared orange bowls. You can pour yogurt on top. Decorate with pomegranate seeds. They will add zest to the taste of the dessert. Our dessert is ready. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you.